Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video on this channel. I'm Anna from Anna's Drawing Channel. If you are new here, welcome everyone. I've been seeing some new faces on my last video, and it's been great getting feedback from you guys and everything. You guys seem to like the meditation video I did. So we're going to turn things around to a little character design a little bit. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I keep saying that every video, but it's true. For this time, I'm going to bring the good old sketchbook out. I've been working in this for 4 months now, starting, last April, previous April, and I've been working in this solidly almost every day. Sometimes I take weeks off from working on it, but this is a colorful spread I did. I'm doing this alien girl here in today's video, just so I have some fun, kick back, relax with you guys, and have a loose goose feel type sketch. So sketch here, and then I drew a TV here because I got a new TV in my art room. I'm actually watching Made by Dawn's video. She just posted today. So Dawn, I'm watching your video today. So did a good job so far. So I drew the clown, and I drew the clown this morning. So I'm really hooked on to aliens and clowns character design. This is a secret sketchbook, and it's big because I've been sketching like crazy and I love it. So I've been working on this since April. I don't know if I'm going to do an exact tour of it because I'm working on a secret project behind the scenes that will probably be out October, November. I'm not sure yet. So we're still in the air with that, and we're behind the scenes. So I'm not going to do a sketchbook tour of this sketchbook, but I will also be doing a speed draw, speed paint at the end of the video of a TV. So in Procreate. So I hope you guys like today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn the notification bell on so you won't miss a single video. And I just want to show you my nails in black and white because I'm wearing black and white today. So yeah, if you have any questions or anything like that. Oh, by the way, for the alien girl or the alien chick or whatever, I'm using highlighters. And I wanted to talk about that because I know you're probably thinking this is not a serious drawing. It's not a serious drawing. This is a fun sketch because I'm using these highlighters here that I have around my studio. But the reason how I came about it is that if you guys have been with me from channel, I've been having nightmares recently. And before the nightmare I had last night, I had a good dream. I dreamed I was sketching with highlighters, and I was like having a process and everything, and sketching and having fun in my dream. And I had a nightmare after that. So I'm sticking to that dream, holding on to that dream, and I was like, I'm gonna draw with highlighters today, so I am. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below, thumbs up this video, subscribe down below if you guys know what to do. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Okay, good morning guys. It is Friday. Oh my gosh. I always need to vlog, and I'm sorry if I sound quiet for this video. It's because I'm still waking up. It's around 5:47 in the morning. I'm still waking up. I had trouble sleeping last night. And I also had a nightmare, I think, but I don't remember what the dream was. But I'm drawing clowns. I'm going to do the background in green, acrylic, and some ink, I think, for the for this. I'm also have a TV now, so I'm really enjoying the TV in my art room, so thank you, Dad. I got it yesterday, so I'm really excited, and I've been watching the TV today. Here's my character, Celeste. She is a witch and fortune teller, and I want to see a comic I'm working on. So I'm working on that, and I've been working on this page. Here's some doodles I was doing yesterday, but some illustration. This is just a random sketchbook page I'm doing. And then I'm going to be doing some fashion sketches after. So that's my plan for right now. kind of tired. Can't tell because of my voice. Still waking up. I just had my morning coffee with my mug here. So this is what my brother's girlfriend gave me for Christmas. Sorry for the stains, but I've been drinking that coffee and that was really good. So I'm just working on this page here, a random sketchbook page in my sketchbook, and felt like drawing clouds this morning and just doing some doodles. So I'm really tired if I can't tell, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'm vlogging. Some of you guys asked me for a desk tour. I've already edited that video and I'm kind of not liking it, so I might delete it and redo it because I just got the TV. So wanted to do a full tour of my desk and everything. So that's coming, and don't really have much else to say here. Just a little quick update. I'm gonna try something a little bit different with my tarot reading because I seem to be not really getting bad cards but interesting cards when I'm hungry during tarot. So I'm gonna try to hold off doing tarot a little bit later this morning and do it after I eat breakfast. That way I can concentrate on what I'm feeling during that time instead of rushing, oh, I gotta get done type thing, and then get a bad reading. But I've been getting good readings so far. They've been interesting. And so yeah, I'm just working on this page here. And then I'm gonna finish that, and yeah, so I might take a nap later this morning. So I got up at 5. At first I got up at 1 a.m. last night. And I was like, I gotta get some sleep, and I did. And I got up at, and I'm still in my PJs, by the way. So usually I stay in my PJs and then get dressed and then eat breakfast. So yeah, that's my morning so far. I'm just working on this page here, and I don't know if I'm gonna film it or not, but yeah, so I'm gonna end it here and see you guys later. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I'm really in a good mood today. This is somewhat tiny bit different of today's video and everything. So we're going to be working on this colorful spread together, like fill a sketchbook spread together and have fun. Yesterday I got a TV in my art room, so I've been having a lot of fun watching that. And I drew a TV here, and I drew a clown here, as you can tell. And then together I thought, why not take this world character and draw an alien girl. I came up with this on a whim and I had fun, but the medium I decided to use last night, as you guys know, I've been talking about my dreams and been talking about my nightmares on the channel. And if you guys are new to the channel or been with me for a while, you guys know I've been having nightmares. Now, before the nightmare I had last night, I had a really good dream, which led me to this drawing today, drawing with highlighters, and I thought that was a great idea. Like, I was coming up with a process on how I want to draw with highlighters and sketching with highlighters, so I'm using these highlighters here today, and we're gonna have some fun, use some different art supplies that we haven't used before, really, and we're just going to have some fun today together. This is not a serious sketch or drawing or anything. This is just filling a sketchbook page with me. So guys, if you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is normally not my art usual drawing, but I will show you what I normally do. Like here, I'm going to show you a sneak peek. I drew my character fortune teller Celeste, and this is her kitten here. So this is what I normally do, and I usually draw cute things, and I'm like, this is a different style I'm trying and everything. So if you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check my other videos to see a real side of me unlike this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn on the notification bell on so you won't miss the video. And let's get started filling this sketchbook page spread together. Okay, hey guys, after we've wrapped up this little drawing here, or not really a drawing, sketch, I'm going to do on my feature subscriber, Somali. If you are watching Art Flashes Art1205 on Instagram, Molly, this is for you. This is your shout out. So thank you, Molly. Your art will be at the end of the video. If I already shouted out to her before, again, sorry, but this is her feature. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn your notification bell on so you won't miss a video, and a TV draw will be in my next video, so stay tuned for that. Here is Molly's art about to pop up on the screen. Um, so yeah.